Okay, let's get started. This is a really simple recipe, and it only consists of 4 ingredients in total. First, you have jalapenos, not too big, not too small, like medium size. Bacon. I prefer the thick cut over the thin cut stuff because it tends to stick a little better. A package of pork sausage. It can either be hot or mild, depending on taste. And last but not least, the original Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 package. And you're also going to want some toothpicks to hold things together. Now, to get started, go ahead and cut open your package of sausage, as well as your cream cheese. And while you're at it, go ahead and set your oven for bake on 425. Next, we add the sausage to a skillet on medium heat. And then using a spatula, proceed to smash the sausage into very small crumbles. We then add our block of cream cheese and smash that up as well until it all has the same consistency. Next, we're going to grab our jalapenos and simply slice them in half, like so. And next, we're going to gut our jalapenos. I choose to use a spoon. I find that it works pretty good. We then line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. Next comes the most time-consuming part of this entire process. It's actually stuffing each of the jalapeno halves with our sausage and cream cheese filling. Once we're done with that, we can begin to assemble our jalapeno halves by taking a strip of bacon and wrapping it pretty tightly around the jalapeno half. And then just to finish things off, we kind of stick it with a toothpick to hold the bacon together. We then arrange our jalapeno halves on a baking sheet, and we place in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Just make sure that you check it. About halfway through the cooking of the 40 to 45 minutes, you're going to want to take the baking sheet out of the oven and drain the grease. That way you get nice crispy bacon. And voila, after 40 to 45 minutes, take out of the oven and let sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, bacon wrapped jalapenos. As always, if you like this video and would like to see more videos like it, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you.